Welcome to Triple C's Data Center, the leading cloud computing facility in Israel, unparalleled energy-wise and most advanced technologically. The area of the server's farm is spread over 3 levels, 1 subterranean and 2 above ground, housing more than 500 racks. The facility is providing to its customers storage services, hosting, and cloud computing services under an envelope of high-level internet services. Triple C has constructed the data center while engaging the best consultants and contractors in their areas of expertise in order to provide its customers with the highest levels of service and redundancy, subject to worldwide and Israeli standards. Special emphasis has been placed on the advanced implementation of the infrastructures: the physical structure, electrical power supply, cooling system, networking, the servers, and the cloud computing systems. The facility was erected subject to the Tier 4 standard, which is the highest currently existing redundancy level, providing 99.995% availability, achieved via the electrical and air conditioning systems, and networking with a 2N+1 backup configuration. We have studied the subject extensively under the guidance of top experts in the area. The facility is connected to the Israel Electrical Company via 2 separate 22,000-volt lines, connected in 2 transformation chambers, each one supplying 2.5 megawatts, 5 megawatts in total. These 2 separate feeds to 2 separate boards constitute 2 separate energy sources to every server requiring electrical power in the facility. Consequently, even in the case of one source's malfunction, a 2N+1 redundancy level is maintained with generated-assisted UPS, thus guaranteeing via the alternate line continuous stable electrical power to all the servers. The amount of heat generated by the thousands of servers in the computing cloud, the disk arrays, and the supporting infrastructure equipment is enormous. In order to cool the facility, Triple C has designed, in conformance with the Tier 4 standard, a system providing 800 tons of cooling at an N+1 redundancy level. This cooling capacity can cool an office tower with about 55 floors. Cooling of the servers is implemented using the in-row cooling technology. In this configuration, a warm corridor is created between 2 rows of server racks, which enclose the air by shutting the corridors. The trapped warm air is cooled by units located near the racks and is returned to the room space. This cooling technology is considered green, and it's about 30% more efficient than the traditional legacy technologies. In addition to the hosting and cloud computing services, Triple C has acquired a major internet services provider license from the Israeli Ministry of Communication. The data center includes communication systems conforming to the Tier 4 standard, including connections to the internet backbone and to the internet providers in Israel and abroad. The connection to the facility is at 2 points from 2 different sources in order to preserve redundancy versus the internet suppliers in Israel. Triple C provides its internet services to both private and business customers. Security and control at the server farm are among the most important considerations. The facility is secured with a closed-circuit television system at any given time. Entry is permitted only to authorized individuals. The Triple C building provides support services to hundreds of customers and thousands of computing systems. These activities are operated through a control room, staffed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The control room is equipped with advanced control and security systems that supervise the building and monitor the system and data security of all the systems active in the data center. In case of malfunction, a signal from one of the hundreds of detectors or from the monitoring software installed in the facility systems and the whole building will reach the control room. Every malfunction will be taken care of by the appropriate teams of technicians and service personnel, committed to go through 2 security circles using biometric and magnet readers. There is a profound understanding by CCC that the data center's success hinges on data security and the ability to provide data security at a level at least as high as the level currently experienced by the customers. The data center provides hosting services, disaster recovery services, and cloud services. The system includes numerous advanced solutions for data security in order to be able to use cloud computing and storage of sensitive data of customers by hosting or disk cloud. Cloud computing provides services tailored to demand without commitment. Pay according to usage, with the option to increase or decrease resources required as needed without fixed charges. Also, cloud computing allows access to a variety of solutions and applications without an initial investment, starting or terminating applications in a straightforward manner. The availability of skilled personnel provides added value to these services.
כבר 20 שנה שאנו מספקים מערכות מחשוב ללקוחות עם ידע, ערכים מוספים והמון נשמה. ב-20 שנה הבאות נמשיך לספק מערכות מחשוב ונתקדם למתן שירותים ברשת האינטרנט בכלל ובמחשוב הענן בפרט. זה העידן הבא, המהווה מענה שיאפשר שימוש במערכות מתקדמות בקלות ובעלויות נמוכות. אנו מאמינים שמחשוב הענן היא מהפכה בתחום המחשוב בעולם, והחברה ערוכה ומוכנה למהפכה עם מיטב הכלים והאמצעים. נעשה את המהפכה הכי טוב שאפשר, עם הידע המקצועי, הערכים המוספים, וכמו שכבר אמרתי, המון נשמה.